What's up, everybody? I wanted to hop on, make a quick video to educate you about something that I feel like people either are misinformed and don't fully understand or don't know much about at all. And that's mortgage rates and how they're set exactly. Many people ask me, or you'll hear them talking, when is the Federal Reserve going to cut mortgage rates? And the truth is, the Federal Reserve doesn't directly cut mortgage rates. The Federal Reserve controls what's called the Fed funds rate. And this is basically the rate at which banks loan one another money. The mortgage rates are determined far more by the bonds market. And the way you can think of this is when you get a mortgage, all these loans are very often packaged with thousands of other loans and sold off to investors as mortgage-backed security bonds. Now, these investors expect a certain return on their money. So these investors take a look at real-time data such as inflation, the jobs market, economic growth, and other factors to determine the confidence they have in their economy. If they look at these and they don't have a great deal of confidence, you'll typically see them bump the rates up on mortgages. If they look at these and they have more confidence in the strength of the economy, that's when you can see mortgage rates tick down. And that's why mortgage rates change basically day to day. That's also why you can see scenarios like when the Federal Reserve cuts rates that the mortgage rates do not always follow, or if they do follow, that they follow exactly at the same percentage of cuts. So the Federal Reserve changes the Fed funds rates, and that does play a big role in the confidence that the investors have in the economy, but it does not exactly translate to what is happening with the mortgage rates. And therefore, when people ask, when is the Federal Reserve going to cut the mortgage rates? That's not exactly the right question to ask. Okay, I hope that this video helps you understand a little bit more about mortgage rates, how they're set. If you would like more information or to go in a little more in-depth about this, please reach out to me. Let's have a conversation. I'd love to talk to you about exactly how mortgage rates affect your buying power as a buyer or your home value as a seller. I have some great resources and I can point you in the right direction to make sure that you are making the best decision for your real estate goals.